What's up, boys? So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a video on how to style your hair the most efficient way. We're going to be using specific products, starting with the Ascend Volumizing Cream from Blumaan. So one of the best hair influencers I've seen on YouTube. So his cream, and then we're going to be using the actual clay. It's called a heavy Cavalier clay, and that's what's going to harden, your hair, and actually keep it in one spot like mine is, because I have really long hair and sometimes it gets really hard to style your hair in an awkward stage. That's the stage I'm in right now. And then we got the Rock On Hard Volumizing Powder itself, and with this powder itself, this is what's going to give you the texture and make your hair stay in one specific spot. So basically, all you're going to have to do is towel dry your hair after you shower, or wash your hair with shampoo, because once you towel dry your hair, it actually becomes frizzy like this. So that's one of the main things that you need to do. But besides that, you're going to start with some volume cream or something like that. I always use the volume cream from Blumaan, known as the Ascend. So take the cream and put it all through the hair and everything. Make sure it gets through all parts of the strands as well. So another thing is the blow dryer itself. My blow dryer, obviously you get this clip-on attachment. What makes it better is obviously you can get the hair close in the spot that you need it to go to. So obviously the blow dryer itself, when you get the blow dryer like this, the air goes everywhere. You want it to be directional towards one specific spot. That's why I always recommend a hair dryer with one of these clips, because then obviously you can do it in the same spot, and you can get the air proportionate to that one specific spot itself. So now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Make sure your hair is nice and dry, obviously, but you guys saw how I was blow drying my hair from the bottom. It's because when you blow dry your hair like this from the bottom, you get more volume in your hair. So if you're looking downwards, you blow dry your hair. That's how you get more volume. But besides that, I'm using the heavy Cavalier clay from Blumaan. So you use this clay, and obviously you try to branch it up in all parts of your hand and everything. Get it in all parts. I have longer hair, so I need to use more product. But besides that, make it clear and then put it through all parts of your hair. So make sure you get every part of your hair. Don't put too much in the front, too much on the sides, Make it equal. So the main goal is to make the hair, equal in length and equal with the product. So when I got the hair, blow dry it a little more. So now you're gonna move this to the comb. Now I'm the type of guy that I wake up pretty late before school or work, and I usually don't have a lot of time after I shower to spend 20-30 minutes on my hair. So that's why one of the main things I always do is to towel dry your hair, and then on top of that, put in any type of volumizing cream that you have, or if you don't have any volumizing cream, just start blow drying right off the bat. Put in obviously the clay. I would always recommend clay. A lot of people, what they do is they use gel. So when they use gel, your hair is not going to look as crispy as this, and instead it's going to look all hard, and it doesn't look as good when you use the clay. So one of the main things that I would recommend is, using clay, because with gel, not only does it not look as good, but it also messes up the actual time span of your hair, so damages your hair as well. This is the Beyond the Zone Rock On Hard powder. So you're gonna put this actually inside the hair. You don't want to use too much now, but just a little bit. And what this does is it actually brings out the texture in your hair. So your hair is gonna be much more texturized now, and you're actually gonna notice a big difference in how long your hair stays up in the air as well. Because a lot of people, they style their hair, they step outside with the wind or anything, the hair goes back to how it was. So with the Rock On Hard clay and then obviously the powder itself, what happens is your hair stays in one spot, you get more texture in the hair. Because I have black hair, a lot of people with dark brown hair, good for them because they get much more texture than we do. But people with black hair get that specific texture as well through more product, I guess. I want to say thank you to those of you that took the time to watch the video, and I hope the video did help you guys learn how to style your hair the correct way through the methods I showed you and get that hair product knowledge as well. I'm going to have all the products in the description below, but besides that, this is a new channel I just made, so it's going to be a channel where I give you guys tips on styling your hair obviously, and more tips for men's fashion as well. So whole purpose of the channel is going to be to make you guys stand out in the crowd and look as elegant as you can look. So stay tuned for that. If the video helped you, hit that like button, and if you want more content like this, subscribe as well. But that's all I gotta say for now. Thank you again. I'm out. Peace.